Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am thrilled to share my experience after successfully completing the AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam. It was an incredible journey and I am excited to give you an inside look into the exam. So before we get into the details, let me quickly recap what the AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam is all about. It's an entry-level certification offered by Amazon Web Services designed to validate your overall understanding of the AWS Cloud and its fundamental services. The first step in my preparation was to familiarize myself with the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Exam Guide. The comprehensive document provided me with all the necessary information about the exam objectives, recommended resources, and the structure of the exam itself. Next, I created a study plan that aligned with my schedule and learning style. I set specific goals for each week covering topics such as AWS core services, security, pricing models, and architectural best practices. To implement my self-study, I also utilized various resources. AWS provides official documentations, white papers, and FAQs, which were immensely helpful in deepening my understanding of the services and their use cases. Additionally, I enrolled in online courses and watched tutorial videos from WizLab's platform. So these resources not only explain complex concepts in a digestible manner, but also provides hands-on labs to practice my skills in a real AWS environment. One of the aspects that really boosted my confidence was taking practice exams. I highly recommend investing in reputable practice tests and sample questions. They not only familiarize you with the exam format but also helps identify your knowledge gaps and areas where you need to focus your revision. And before I continue, I have an exciting update to share with you all. Instead of taking the exam at the physical test center, I opted for the online proctored version. So this allowed me to take the exam from the comfort of my home while maintaining the exam integrity through the live proctoring. The online exam experience was incredibly convenient. All I needed was a reliable internet connection, a webcam, and a quiet space to ensure a distraction-free environment. Before starting the exam, I went through a system check to ensure that everything was set up correctly. And during the exam, the proctor monitored me through the webcam to ensure compliance with the exam rules. And even I followed the instructions carefully, such as showing my identification, clearing my workspace, and refraining from any prohibited activities. The online exam interface was user-friendly, allowing me to navigate through the questions and mark them for review. I could also see a time ticking down, helping me manage my time effectively. After completing the exam, I submitted it, and I must say, the wait for the result felt just nerve-wracking, as if I had taken it in the physical center. But once I received the email notification stating that I had passed, the sense of achievement was overwhelming. So if you are considering taking the AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam, don't hesitate to explore the online proctored option. It offers flexibility, convenience, and the opportunity to complete the exam from the comfort of your own workspace. To wrap things up, I want to emphasize that the AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam is an excellent stepping stone into the world of cloud computing. It not only expands your knowledge but also demonstrates your commitments to learning and staying relevant in the ever-evolving IT industry. I hope my experience and tips have been valuable to you. Remember, preparing and practices are the key to success in any certification exams. Whether you choose to take it in the test center or opt for the online proctored version, believe in yourself, put in all the efforts, and you will be on the way to become an AWS Cloud Practitioner. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video.